Ahoy fellow builders and welcome to TuneR, and today we're going to do a special feature to this GUNPLA 40th Anniversary Mobile Suit Gundam logo plastic model. I got this special item from our friendly hobby shop, Hobby Ali. If you want to have this item or other Gunpla stuff, just visit their website or PM them on their Facebook. We also like to greet Hobby Ali a happy second anniversary and more power. And unfortunately, this special item is not for sale, but you can have this special memorabilia if you're going to buy any build series kit worth 1,000 pesos and above only at Hobby Ali. This memorabilia is for a limited time only, so get yours right now. The cover of this item is the concept of the 40th anniversary Gunpla, showcasing some images of recently released kits, and this is a one-runner content with representation of logo of a Mobile Suit Gundam series title. At the back, you can see clearly the runner and the instruction manual as well. Honestly, I want to keep this as it is, but I'm also excited to see this in full physical view. And without further ado, let's proceed with the unpacking. And this is the physical view of this kit. Its height is around 1.8 inch And here is the size comparison together with a 1:144 HG kit. The material is made of polystyrene. Accessories includes a beam rifle and a shield. And for the articulation, it's just a bit moving of arms and heads. For sure, this is a limited production as it celebrates its 40th anniversary. As I look for some comparisons, this kind of size of the kit was also showcased as a freebie in a cup noodle only in Japan. And alam nyo ba na bukod sa cup noodles, meron din na nag-franchise na naglabas ng mini kit at ito ay ang GUNPLA Chibi Kero na may lamang mini RX-78-2 Gundam na pwedeng i-assemble and may kasamang Zaku 2 na actually ay 1:600 scale na kit. At isa na namang Gunpla alaman na naman ang napasa inyo dito sa programang ito. Kaya kung may makita ka man na tumingin at hawak niya ang isang Keropla na kit, ito ang sabihin mo. Alam mo ba na yung kit na yan ay may mini scale na Gunpla na RX-78 sa loob? Imagine, isang plamo na nag-build ng Gunpla. Kung ako sa'yo, bilhin mo na. Sabay sabi ng buy. And this is the GUNPLA 40th Anniversary Mobile Suit Gundam logo plastic model. Until next time, here in Tune R, may the toys be with you.